Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. What is the number one secret that's going to allow you to get massive success? Okay? So, in my opinion, the number one thing that's going to allow you to get massive success is to be able to hold people's attention long enough until they're ready to work with you. Now, long enough doesn't have to be a long period of time. It doesn't have to be a matter of years. It could be as little as 2 days, right? But it's being able to control attention. In order to hold attention, that means that you have to have the ability to control the attention you're getting. A lot of people can generate views. You can go throw money at ads. You can throw money at YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, whatever the case might be. But as soon as you stop running those advertisements, you're not able to, maintain any of the benefits that you're getting when you're paying. Okay? That's the reason why a lot of people can't get advertisements to work. That's the reason why a lot of people can't get their overall business to work. So, what do you need to do to start learning how to hold attention? You need to really understand, what your market cares about. I mean, once you understand what people actually want to talk about, of course they're going to want to talk to you even more. For example, a good story, whenever I'm at a networking event, I generally do not do a lot of talking. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ask you questions about, hey, what do you like? Or I'm just going to keep asking. Maybe you're going to say, I enjoyed reading this book. Then I'm going to say, okay, cool. What did you like about the book? Blah, 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 blah. And I'm going to keep it focused on exactly whatever topic the person I'm speaking to brought up. It's the same thing with our business. Once I speak to a few people inside of the market and I understand what the market actually wants, it's going to allow me to talk specifically about what they have, and then we're going to become friends. Once we become friends, they're going to want to listen to me for as long as possible. Until they just get tired, or until the internet stops working, or until I, just don't want to talk anymore. But once you're able to control and hold that information, it's just a matter of time before you say, hey, I have some kind of training, or I have a webinar, or I have some kind of free class for you to go look into, right? They're like, okay, cool, man. And then they go look at the free training or the free video or whatever the case might be. Then at the end of the free training, they either reach out to you saying, hey, how can I work with you? Or they're like, hey, is there any way I can pay you for that free training? And then you have a sustainable business. Now you can run your advertisements. Now you can, go hire employees. Then you can go take vacations. You can do whatever you want. But up until that point, if you don't know how to control and direct and manage attention, you're not going to be able to actually get, the life that I believe that you deserve. Right? Because, I started my business not because, like, money or anything like that. It was more because I wanted to be able to control the variables in my life. If I didn't want to leave my house for whatever reason, then I wouldn't have to. If I didn't want to go drive 40 minutes to work, I wouldn't have to. If I didn't want to go sit in traffic, I wouldn't have to. If I wanted to go eat, in the middle of the day, or take a break, or even go on a date during the middle of the day, at like 11 a.m. or 3 p.m., I could. Didn't have to worry about rush hour, right? And that's what I believe that a lot of people are searching for. If that's something that you're searching for, I recommend you go take the first step, which is go join my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, we're giving you everything that you need to step by step start moving forward in the life to get the business and the life that I believe you deserve. If that's what you've been searching for, and maybe you've been trying, but you just haven't been able to do it on your own, I recommend you go join that free group. There's going to be a link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information as well. Have a great day, see you later, and take it easy.